Welcome to the We Never Walk Alone video series. If you would like to know more about the history and development of We Never Walk Alone, the nationwide peer support and mental health professional network for law enforcement, please check out the video entitled We Never Walk Alone, Stronger Together in the We Never Walk Alone video series. Today's video will describe the department or officer onboarding process. The first step is that each new department joining We Never Walk Alone will submit the name and the work email addresses of all the officers in a roster Excel spreadsheet. Civilian employees may also be added at the department's discretion. Once we've received the Excel roster, the support team at We Never Walk Alone creates an individual account for each member on the roster. Thirdly, once the accounts are created, each officer will receive a welcome email like the sample on the screen from support@weneverwalkalone.org with instructions to set their password and other relevant information. If you don't see the email from support, please be sure to check your spam folder. Finally, once the officers have created their passwords, they can download the mobile apps and sign in with the same credentials to access the critical network resources. We highly recommend the mobile apps because they provide the ability to launch the call to a peer supporter or a mental health professional directly from their phones. Each department is provided with a QR scan code sheet with iPhone or Android codes for easy access. That's it. Congratulations! Your department has been successfully onboarded. The best part is that our support team can have your entire department, no matter the size, up and running in less than 15 minutes after we receive your roster.